everybody, this is our 10th annual Archer Avenue Car Show, sponsored by the Garfield Ridge Neighborhood Watch and the Midway Chamber of Commerce. We've got DJs, we've got dueling pianos, we've got over 200 hot rods, there's 6 different food trucks, restaurants are opening up. It's just a great day. The weather's about 68 degrees. It's a beautiful night. Come on out.
All right, live with Bobby G, Garfield Ridge Neighborhood. This is the Archer Show. This is our 3rd year here. Got the Mercury, 68, big block, 390. Found her in a field in Cincinnati. Dragged her home. Been doing little things here and there, and you know, everybody sees me out and about. So that's about it. Great time, come on up, try to find some parking. Hey, my name's Ed. I'm coming from the Chicago Ridge Car Show, Archer Avenue, where they used to do all the burnouts and cruise back in the day when I didn't even know stuff about that. I'd like to thank my beautiful wife, Lisa. She let me take her 79 Trans Am out, a real gold edition SE back in the day. I'm out here with all these great cars. We're just having a great time. It's going to be from 6 to 9 today. It's a once-a-year car show. So if you didn't make it this year, you need to make it out next year.
Cook. This is my car. It's a 1964 Chevy Corvair Monza. It's a dual carb. So it's the car. Again, all original interior. Pretty much the only things that I've changed on is from a 6-volt generator to a 12-volt alternator. So I adjusted the carbs, switched out the carbs. Other than that, I've kept pretty much everything original on the car. Trying to keep it as original as possible. And that's about it.
That's awesome. And how long do you have the car now?
I've had it for about 5 years. When I originally got it, I got it from my uncle. It was all torched. Previous owner, he got it from him. The car got set on fire. The whole top of the engine was torched. So pretty much it's just been rebuilding the top of the engine, getting all this repainted, and just trying to restore it back to its former glory.
That is wonderful. That's wonderful.
Thank
and how does it handle? What's this? How does it handle on the highway?
Honestly, it handles great. Believe it or not, I have pushed it to about 90 and it tops out at 100. So I've never had a problem with it. I've always heard bad things about these cars, about being light on the front. I have never had that problem. I think it handles great on the highway, handles great on the side streets. I've had a lot of fun with this car. I've really been enjoying it.
Excellent, excellent. This is Bob G. and
William Cook.
Reporting live, Garfield Ridge Car Show 2025.
My name is Scott Joseph, and this is my 1957 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. We had a white one when I was a kid. My dad had a white one. This one, and if you had a white one or a black one, you had that black and white interior. I said the only difference is mine actually has factory air conditioning. Ours did not.
That is a rare piece, my friend.
Yeah, very. Back then, you could add 15% to the cost of the car if you had air because it was so expensive. But a Coupe de Ville comes with a whole bunch of stuff. I've had it since 2002, and it's got so many standard features because it's a Cadillac. I'm just gonna, well, you're filming. It's got power windows, power seats, but check out, okay, yeah, here, go ahead, take a look because you can see the light down here at the base of the seat. But I'm gonna move the outside antenna, the power antenna, and if you take a look outside, that thing is picking up bars.
Look at that. Let's go way, way up there. Look at that. That is so cool. You don't see the power antennas no more like that.
No, not like that. And back then, everyone smoked, so right now, because I've got the lights on, although you can't see it very well because it's still daylight, it says lighter here and over there, and there is a little light shining down on my finger so that when I flip my cigarette ashes, I don't miss and get it all over the
So you can see
floor
we're
of the car.
flicking them.
Yeah, exactly.
That is clever.
And, oh, here, take a look at this back window. They're power windows. Just watch how complex this thing is.
That is classic. That is smooth.
Oh, yeah. And let me see. People want to know often enough, hey, where do you put the gas in on this car? So let's go to the back for a second. And there's the gas cap. I just put gas in it yesterday.
They always say, Scott, that's blinker fluid.
Yeah. Not bad, huh?
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Scott, thank you so much for showing your wonderful 57 Cadillac.
Absolutely my pleasure.
Thank you.
I'll see you at some other shows. Thank you.
You're welcome.